get mod ID. Please subscribe and like this video. The Ford Ranger Raptor has just surfaced in Bangkok, Thailand, in production form, and while the truck you see here, in lightning blue, is only for the Thai and Pacific markets, it's likely that the United States will have a crack at Ford's rock-hopping, dune-flogging 4x4 at a later date. Months before Ford unveiled the U.S.spec 2019 Ranger in January, we knew Dearborn had directed the Ford Performance Division to build a baby Raptor. That's exactly what the Ranger Raptor looks like, minus the F-150 version's amber marker lights on the satin-gray grille, flared fenders, F-150 chunky uppercase letters, silver painted underbody shields, and a step in height that threatens to rip inseams are the most obvious touches. Under the hood is an all-new twin-turbocharged 2.0-liter diesel inline-four, which Ford likely won't try to certify back home. It's more potent than the expat Ranger's 3.2-liter turbo diesel inline-five, with 211 horsepower and 369 pounds-feet of torque. Expect any US model of the little Raptor to be powered by Ford's 2.7-liter EcoBoost V-6, with outputs similar to the 335 horsepower and 380 pounds-feet that the engine makes in the 2019 Edge3. Like the F-150 Raptor, the rowdiest Ranger uses a 10-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and 6 driving modes including a Baja setting that relaxes the traction control for ripping across the desert. The F-150 Raptor boasts Fox Racing shocks internal bypass dampers, and the Ranger Raptor follows suit. Ford has not specified wheel travel, but since the ability to execute sweep jumps is a Raptor hallmark, expect it to be generous. The watch linkage helps control the rear axle's lateral motion, while more high-strength steel and integrated tow bars are baked into the Ranger's frame. Compared with the Ranger FX4 sold in Australia, which is the most aggressive off-road version of the currently available truck, the Ranger Raptor's overall height is up by 2.0 inches, while ground clearance is 1.8 inches greater, for a healthy total of 11.1 inches. Whereas the F-150 Raptor feels as white as a garbage truck, the Ranger Raptor should be easier to keep between the painted lines. Ford stretched this Ranger's front and rear tracks by 5.9 inches, although overall width increases by just 0.7 inch. A 32-degree approach angle and 24-degree departure angle increases of 3 degrees each over the FX4 will no doubt test the 33-inch Bajaj 285/70R17 tires and front skid plate. Stopping ability is enhanced by front and rear brake rotors that are 0.4 inch larger in diameter than those of the standard Ranger. If you mentally switch a right-hand drive seating position to the other side and sub in higher RPM tachometer, it's easy to imagine what a US Ranger Raptor's interior would look like. Leather and micro-suede upholstery is garnished with white Raptor lettering and blue stitching, and the Raptor spec steering wheel features a red 12 o'clock hash mark. 5 exterior colors: lightning blue, raised red, shadow black, frozen white, and conquered gray will be offered in the aforementioned markets. As for official confirmation of a version for America, we hope that will be bounding around the bend soon.